Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful spring or summer swag. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm just going to measure enough so when I fold it in half, I can just tuck the ends underneath my Bowdabra Bow Maker. So I'm just going to fold this in half, put it down into the Bowdabra, tuck the ends underneath, and then the next thing that I'm going to do is I like to use all of my fabric. So I'm taking my Deco mesh and we're just going to scrunch this down into the Bowdabra, but I had a little piece of extra of the Deco mesh, so we're going to also put that in here. But in the measurements on the video, I have the exact measurements that you need, including both pieces of Deco mesh. But I couldn't let this piece go to waste, so we're just going to scrunch that all down in there. Then what I'm going to do is take my little pansies and put these in here, put this here, just stuck these down, and I bought those at Dollar Tree, so they were very obviously inexpensive. So now I'm just going to twist, and I'm going to fold this back over here. We're going to twist it and scrunch it in and fold it back and twist. And then the one thing I'm going to do is just measure and make sure that my loops are the same size. Scrunch that back in. And we're going to just do exactly the same thing. We're going to fold, twist, scrunch it in. And then I'm just going to fold and make sure that my loops are all the same size. One of the things that I do when I'm making my loops is I just kind of shape them as I'm going so that when I go to fluff at the end, it's a little bit easier. And just twist it. And actually, it looks like I made this one a little too big, so I'm going to bring that in here. And then fold this back. So we have 3 loops on each side, twist it. Then this one I'm not going to twist. I'm just going to fold that back in there and just scrunch it in. Then the next thing that I'm going to do is take my 2 ribbons here, and I'm just going to put them together so you have like we're going to make a 2 ribbon bow. So I'm showing you how to make a couple of different styles of bow in this one bow. So we're just going to put this on top of here. We're going to just twist it and scrunch that down into the Bowdabra. Then I'm going to fold it back over and twist and scrunch it in. Just push that down. Then I'm going to fold it back over, twist. So I'm just making these loops a little bit smaller than the lavender ribbon loops. Okay, and then twist it and fold it back over. So what's really cool is all of these ribbons are now available or will be available on the Bowdabra website. And we're just going to twist this. And now this one I'm going to make a little bit smaller. So we're going to have what we call either a floral loop or a button loop, depending on how you were taught. And then I'm going to take my Bowdabra wand and just scrunch this down into the middle, push everything down into my Bowdabra. You've got a lot of stuff in here, so you want to just really push it down well. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire and I'm going to just pull this through my slip knot. And again, I'm going to hold everything down really tight, pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to separate my ends, and you can see how super easy this was. I'm going to fold it over. I'm just going to tie a knot here and double knot, and I'm actually going to triple knot this just so I know everything stays really well together. Now we're going to start fluffing. Now while I'm fluffing, if you wouldn't mind clicking either the subscribe button on YouTube and the follow me button on Facebook. And now I'm just going to clip this here because we don't need that extra piece. And just like that. And we're just going to fluff everything out here. And definitely comment below if you have any questions or you want to know where you can purchase the Bowdabra. You can definitely get it at Hobby Lobby or on Amazon.com or at Bowdabra.com. And now I'm just going to fluff everything out. And when I'm done fluffing, you have this absolutely beautiful swag that you can hang on your door or even use it, put candles on either side of it, and you have a beautiful spring centerpiece. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.